Morning, traders. So let's have a look at the DAX. So there's some really interesting concepts on the DAX as well. And the first thing that stands out glaringly for me is we have some diversions on the weekly. Okay, we are bouncing off the 100 EMA, but we also had a range bar here, which was indecision. So, the weekly really doesn't have clear direction, although from a price action perspective, we have a piercing pattern here. So in other words, the green candle started below the red and went past the 50% height of this candle. And that is a bullish signal. And then we had an inside bar, which is a bullish. And for all intents and purposes, we rejected this bottom here and formed a range bar. So if we just drill down to the daily now, so we are still bearish, okay, as I said yesterday, we still are very much bearish, but the tide could very well be changing. So we did break through this trend line, and we came back, not as violently as what the Dow was, but we did come back. Now, there's so much happening here on the daily. You've got inside bar, you've got engulfing, you've got this massive rejection bar here, and also this is a triple bottom here, this area here. So you'd also expect this break to play out, which takes us basically to the 38.2 under the 200 EMA, and this is on the daily. Okay, and looking to the left, there is a breakout challenge, which will be the pin bar there, which also coincides with that area. So if we just put that in there, okay, and let's just drill down to 4 hour, see if we can get any. So we have broken through, we have formed a bit of a double top here. So a break below this level here will obviously take us to the bottom here. And if you have a look here, there's a previous low, previous tail there, and it's lined up pretty closely. So yeah, I think as with the Dow, the jury's still out. I think this confusion around the trade war is what's hurting. But the positive part of this is we have Sigma-Span has broken through the cloud and price. Okay, we have price broken through the cloud. So if there is a pullback, maybe what we do is just slowly meander down, and this doesn't become a double top, but what it does do is it becomes a triangle, which is a continuation pattern for this move up. Okay, and I think you'll probably find that this move here will be just above the 38.2 extension of the range. So yes, I think still slightly bullish over being a bear, although I think we do need to be ready to adapt to any change. Whatever happens, just go with the flow, to be honest. So I'll be looking for any sort of bearish action here in the 50% zone on top of the cloud, or alternatively looking for a bullish setup in this area. because if we break below this area here, we'll break below the cloud, which then can indicate more of a chance of us breaking below to the bottom of the range. So just to summarize, let's just look at the weekly. So we are in the cloud for the weekly, which indicates sideways movement. Okay, so we could still find resistance here up and then down, or alternatively break to the upside, find resistance on Kijinson on the weekly, which is also the previous breakout here, and then bounce back and continue. Or alternatively, just keep going sideways inside the cloud. But anyway, that's the DAX, and just watch it carefully. And actually, before we go, let's just have a look at the 1 hour. Okay, so the thickness of the cloud on the 1 hour is indicating that we had fairly good support here. So yeah, I think just watch carefully. You want to try to be long at the bottom end of the range and take your profit at the top, and even put in a short at the top to play to the downside. But yeah, I think I'm just going to be watching this. I think my focus will be on the Aussie rather. There's a better setup on the Aussie at the moment, and I'll maybe look for something else and post a video over the weekend. Anyway, hope it helps. Catch you guys later.